today I am I'm reviewing Alyssa's uh, profile. And right off the bat, you can see she is not using the banner, which if you've been following this series, you'll know that this is a really big thing for me. This is a lost opportunity to show off what you're doing, what your business is doing, or if you're heading a business, what your, responsibilities are. Um, and so I would love to see that. That said, this is a great picture. I think when she puts something in the background that it'll stand out a little bit more. This coloring is too similar, right? So it kind of like removes this a little bit. But the picture's a great photo. And she does have her the website right here, which is really good. A lot of people don't do that. Now, scrolling down, I look at there's a couple of things. If you work as an independent consultant, if you work for a company that is not your own, and they have a gray square, I would always keep going back to check to see if they have the proper business page. I actually just updated something on my system pretty recently because one of my grad schools had just, I don't know, sometime between the last time I checked my education and this time, I noticed that that was there. So I was able to get that, and you get a logo, which just looks really nice. And I'm hopefully these two actually do that. I clicked on her company name. I would like to see more of a description as to what Deeper Learning does here. And it's kind of an interesting name. So on her either on her website, which I haven't checked out, or here would be a good opportunity to explain why it's called Deeper Learning Dozen. But what I noticed right off the bat is this is a minor detail, but I did notice it and I was trying to figure out what it was that the favicon is a little small for the square that LinkedIn gives you. And I would just want to make sure maybe that gets done. And this is the same issue. This might be something in action, which is totally fine and great. But this is a lost opportunity to tell us what you do, the benefits that you give, the transformation that happens, and so on. But she's got a lot of really good information in here, depending on whether or not she's working for somebody else or what the purposes are. I could probably review her skills, but overall, I think it's a really good place. She also doesn't have an about me section, which I just noticed, or as services and features section. So I would make sure that, everything that can be used appropriately is on her profile. Okay, so a big thank you to Alyssa for letting me review her profile. And if you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I am able to do it. Thanks.